Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to test an O2 sensor plug with a multimeter. First, locate your vehicle's oxygen sensor connector. Carefully disconnect the sensor from the main wiring harness. Next, set your digital multimeter to the appropriate voltage or resistance range, depending on the test you are performing. Ensure your multimeter leads are clean and properly connected for accurate readings. This initial setup is crucial for a successful diagnostic process. To check the heater circuit, identify the two wires typically responsible for heating, often white. Set your multimeter to measure resistance in ohms. Place the probes across these two wires. A healthy heater circuit should show a resistance reading between 5 and 40 ohms. If your reading falls outside this range or shows an open circuit, it indicates a faulty heater element, which means the sensor isn't heating up correctly. For the signal voltage test, reconnect the sensor and start your engine, allowing it to reach operating temperature. Carefully backprobe the signal wire, usually black, with the positive lead of your multimeter. Connect the negative lead to a reliable ground point on the engine. Observe the voltage fluctuations. A properly functioning sensor should cycle rapidly between 0.1 and 0.9 volts, indicating it's actively monitoring exhaust gases. Interpreting your results is key. If the signal voltage consistently stays low, around 0.1 volts, it suggests a lean condition. Conversely, a consistent high voltage, near 0.9 volts, indicates a rich condition. If there's no voltage fluctuation at all, the sensor is likely dead. Any of these abnormal readings mean your oxygen sensor is not performing correctly and should be replaced to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.